Opening Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. After installing the Adobe Photoshop CC 2018, perform the following steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. Step 2. Click on the Adobe Photoshop CC 2018 application. The Adobe Photoshop CC 2018 Get Started window appears. Placing an image in an existing document. In Photoshop, you can combine multiple pictures into a new image. Sometimes, we need to work with many images in one file. At times, people simply copy and paste different images into one file to work with. But it is not recommended, as copying images tend to reduce the quality of the image. So, it is best to first save the image in your computer and then import it into Photoshop. Follow the below steps to insert an image in an existing file. Step 1. Select the file. Go to Place Embedded option from the application bar. The Place Embedded dialog box will appear. Step 2. Navigate to the location of the image file and click on the Place button. Step 3. Press and hold the Shift key to avoid distorting the image and drag the corners of the image border to resize the added image. Step 4. Drag inside the border to position the added image where you want to place it. Step 5. Click the check mark in the options bar to finalize the placement. This automatically creates a new layer containing the added image.